Hey, what's going on? Shelton here, and welcome to my video today. Today's video, we're going to talk about Clickmagick for beginners, how to set up your tracking link for your business for beginners. So you want to stay tuned for this entire message and video if I go ahead and show you how this works. If it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to go ahead and give you the content of this video today, how Clickmagick works in terms of setting up a tracking link. Now, Clickmagick has been around for a while and it's a way of tracking your business. When you order solo ad advertising or any type of advertising, it's a way of keeping track of the clicks inside your business. That way you know exactly what's working and what's not. So we're going to go ahead and log in to Clickmagick right here. And don't forget, if you don't have a Clickmagick account, click on the link below. You can sign up for a free trial for Clickmagick. You can go ahead and start your business as soon as possible in terms of tracking your business. So right now, signing up as an account is really easy. Just a username and a password or your email. So you can just go ahead and sign up there. And actually right here, when you click on, let's see here, it says log in right here. So you just go ahead and log in there. If you got your username or email, you go right here. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up. Log in to Clickmagick. Once again, it's easy to do, easy to set up. And right now it shows me I have 353 total clicks inside my business right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up a tracking link inside Clickmagick. Very, very easy step-by-step process. Remember, this is Clickmagick for beginners, setting up your tracking link. So we're going to go right to links here, and we're going to go right. This is going to be really, really simple. We're going to go to create new link. Now, create new link, you want to go ahead and set up a link name. Now, the link group here, you can group your links together so you have other businesses that you're representing. I really want you to go ahead and set up a group for that. And how you do that, you click the question mark there and you just go ahead and name that group. So let's say your group is about affiliate marketing. You can actually type in affiliate marketing right here. Just say it's network marketing. You can actually, whatever company that is, you can go ahead and name it there as well. So that way you can keep all your links and tracking links, organized. So you can go ahead and create that and type in the name right there. So I'm going to go back here. That's what link group means. That's why I like to use it in terms of, managing all your tracking links all in one group. So you can name your link. I like to put the solo ad vendor's name in here, or if it's YouTube ad, Facebook ad, maybe put that name in there as well. So let's say it's a solo ad vendor that you're going ahead and tracking the links for that particular process. So you can say, Daniel and C. Let me say his name is Daniel C. 500 clicks, and let's say the date of 9/17/19. I'm just throwing it out there. So I have the solo ad name, the number of clicks, 500 clicks ordered from that solo ad vendor, and I have the date at the end of that when I ordered it. That's just to make an example. The tracking link here, this is automatic already set for you. When you go ahead and create your new account, it's going to say www.clkmg.com and whatever username you selected. So I selected Shelton. Now, of course, you can set up a custom domain if you want. That's free as well. So, and then your link name is just pretty much kind of how you would track it. So you can just say 1Dan500. I'm just making an example. So you can kind of do something like that. You can click on this question mark and it shows you more information about tracking link ID. So you can put anything there, but put something there you think you can remember by and how you can track it. But it's a question mark there if you want more information about it. And the URL is pretty much your website. It's usually your website for your customer to see. So that way you'll take this, whatever your website is. Let's just make an example. Let's say your website is yahoo.com. Make an example. Let's say the name of that, even though it's not that, will probably be something a little bit longer that represent your organization or whatever you're marketing or selling. That URL is going to be right there. And you type in there and we're just going to click create link. This is something very, very basic, not advanced. We'll go to advanced on other videos, but this is setting up a easy, quick tracking link. So you click on create link and say do not valid URL. Let me see. Okay. Let's see if that works now. Do not valid primary URL. Let's see here. Let me just take one of these. Okay. Let me go ahead. I'm going to use a different one since that wasn't working here. So there you go. That's my tracking link. Is all set up there. And check it out. It's right here. Daniel C. 500 clicks, 09/17/19. So I just use a different link there. And if I click here, it shows me exactly what I created. Here is the link name. Here is the link tracking link ID. And here is the primary URL. I was trying to put Yahoo in there, but I went ahead and put something in there I know would work. So mainly because the HTTPS. So I didn't have that in front of the Yahoo. So that's something to look for. They're going to look for this right here. So this is a little quick tip there to you for go ahead and know about that. And you click Save Changes and there, and then you can preview. What I like about it, you can go ahead and preview your link. So you go ahead and if you preview here, it previews exactly what it looks like. And remember, this is the link here you give to your solo app vendors. That's the tracking link you give to your solo app vendor for they can go ahead and start marketing their list with that link. So it's very, very important. And you can preview here. And of course, there's a question mark here of tracking link preview. Click more for more information. Clickmagick is really, really easy. And they have question marks. You have a really good customer service as well. So let's go and preview it. And the preview looks just like this. This is exactly what I was representing right here. This is my link that I went ahead and previewed there. I'm going to go ahead and marketing selling that. So that's it. That's it about tracking links, setting up a tracking link, Clickmagick for beginners. Very, very easy to do. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to do another video on Clickmagick in terms of a little bit more advanced. I'm going to go ahead and do maybe 2 videos about this because Clickmagick is a good way of tracking your business. And don't forget, underneath this video in the description box, go ahead and sign up of your free trial of Clickmagick. Sign up of your free trial on Clickmagick. If you don't have it already, go ahead and sign up. It's a good way of tracking your business each and every single day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the link below, and I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you later.